My name is Josh Blumenstadt. I teach the IT classes here at the ISD. Before teaching, I was in the industry. I worked at Bay College for about 8 years, managing client-side stuff with computers. And so in the class, I try to integrate what it was like to manage, hundreds of computers rather than single computers. We tried to give the students a broad range of career paths that they can take within IT. A lot of people think of IT as one specific thing, but there's a lot of different branches within that career field. So the class starts out with cybersecurity. There's a big push for cybersecurity, and even within that there's offense and defense. So we do some cybersecurity competitions. Cyber Patriots won through the Air Force Association. After the cybersecurity stuff, we get into a little bit of hardware. We tear apart a computer, put it back together, learn the internal components, and then we jump into software side of things. We learn operating system fundamentals, both Windows and Linux and server.
You learn the basics of computers and technology and what you would expect in career fields. And you learn networking, hardware, software.
After the operating system fundamentals, we go into networking fundamentals, and we learn about, you have a router at your house and everybody can connect and everything works, but how do you set it up in a business setting where if you got a coffee shop, how do you know that your guest Wi-Fi can't access your credit card machine, and how to segment your networks and subnetting?
Having a program like this here really helps you, get ready for college so you're not going into it blind. It'll definitely give you more credibility in the IT world.
All the curriculums lead to industry-recognized certifications. This year we passed, there's some certifications in the background there that you can see. We've had 28 industry-recognized certifications passed, and students had the opportunity to take the ones that our curriculum goes to, but also if they're interested in other things, like second-year students can come back and kind of explore the IT world. So I've got students that want to learn Python or JavaScript, and there's industry standard recognized certifications that are at an end goal for those things as well. A lot of the IT field, you'll see job postings that they require years of experience or education, but also certifications. So the entry-level certifications, it's something that the students can take with them. There's about 440 colleges and universities around the United States that will take these certifications and count them as college credit. We also have articulation agreements with Bay College, so students taking 2 years of this class can get articulated credits through Bay College for 3 different classes at this point.
Can also work on side projects. Like one of the students worked on a server for Minecraft, which is mainly just like learning how to build a server, lock it down and work with that. And other things, we've done a couple competitions through it. I've been in all but one of them. So those were all pretty fun, and it just prepares you for whether you want to go into the career or not. So you can get the life skills and the knowledge to make sure that you have everything properly secure, or you know how to fix it to a degree.
We also have the opportunity for students to do work-based education, where we find specific businesses in the community, and they basically take their days that they were going to be in class and they'll go work in the field with industry professionals. Right now there's such a talent gap for the amount of jobs that are going to be there to the amount of qualified people that are in the industry looking for a cybersecurity job. There's companies out there that are hiring high school students, graduates, and training them because there's such a talent gap in that field.